countryside in Poland. Oh, how beautiful.
We were so hungry for this pierogi. I think, no, and tomorrow you say it's the same, huh?
I'm recording. Enjoy the countryside pierogi. We went to one restaurant, but it's a wedding party, so we're going to another restaurant. It's beautiful. I love countryside in Poland. The house is there. Little hillies billies. My husband is driving.
Hungry.
Hungry? Hangry, huh? Hungry and angry. Beautiful. Under the bridge.
There's somewhere here one. It's the gas station, right?
Gas
No.
station. You have to pass Grybovchon before it's the gas station. Yeah, we're gonna go eat something eventually. Our favorite restaurant failed today. Town is called Grybów. We were here already. It's gonna rain.
There was sun and now here is
Kind of look like it's gonna rain. Here is the
cloudy.
old town, Grybów. Small town. And the middle of nowhere. And the middle of between Nowy Sącz and Gorlice. Between two bigger cities. Tanie noclegi, cheap rooms.
That's what it says.
Yes.
Cheap.
Cheap rooms, like not expensive.
Cheap.
This
rooms,
I
huh?
already recorded this town before, but now different little view. Cute little town, and the time difference is really bothering us. It's 7 hour different, so nighttime we cannot sleep, and that's the problem. When we on Saturday everything is closed very early, so we are looking for place to eat. Nice building, little town.